Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here is my very first video for spine animations, and here I want to show you the swipe effects that we can use them without making masks for each and every kind of icon, image, etc. And using only one sequence. For example, here you can down the middle animation you can see the swipe effect, that kind of thing I've used for this one, you see. So I've made one swipe effect and using them for use that sequence for all kind of icons, so there will not the final file will not be very heavy. For example, you can see here are a lot of separated images, but the swipe effect is looking very old thing here. So let's get started. So here I've made this fast animation here, you can see. Let's understand how I made it so it is in the mask. So the fast way is to let's remove all this stuff. The first thing, we need to input our image. Okay, I don't like not in center, and let's roughly mesh it, just trace it out a little bit. I know some people will say some words about this, but anyway, I'm doing this fast, so let's do this. Let's make things better here. Okay, somewhat it's okay. It's good, it's okay to work with. Okay, so here the fun part here is this mesh is already kind of you can use this mesh as a mask for the sequences that you are going to use, like any kind of shining, etc. What you want to use on the image, you can use this mesh as a mask. So even when you are animating this, you can do it after the animation. You need to do it after the animation. For example, if I'll make it like I've shown you in the previous animation, like 3D kind of effect, etc. You have to make all the final animation, and after that put this effect. So after here we go and we duplicate, and let's name this shining. So here I have some shining effects. You can see this BT, LRRL and TB. This means that the directions of the swipes. For this particular technique, you have to have rendered previously the directions that you want to use. For example, for this one I want like from left to right, that's why we are going to use this one. And you can just drop here, copy from here the name, okay, and duplicate it here. Copy from here, duplicate it here, and as we are going to use the sequence, we just delete the last number. Okay, So here we don't need this one anyway. Okay, let's go and start from here. Let's make this sequence starting from 0, and we have 17. Let's go and make it 17. Here is some cool fact here. You may have long sequence and you don't want to go down and see what is the last number. Just scroll up this number, the sequence number, and when you see here the error, this means this sequence have only 17. After 17 it has this error that Spine can't find this named file. So the 17 is the final one here. Okay, so we can see here. Maybe I should do the bottom to top one, but let's see. So we can do some stylings here. Additive, maybe a little bit yellow, a little bit yellow, and some opacity. Let's see. Kind of work. Kind of working here. So let's get to Animate. So from here we start looping, and also always remember I don't know yet how to fix the default FPS number. If you know, please write in comments. But it's always on 12 frames per second. My sequence is 30 per second, so we change it to 30. Okay, loop this one. We have 17. Okay, copy and thing. Okay. So now we have this. We can even play once. Play once here. Okay. So after some pause, it will look the same. Okay, now as you understand, every kind of icon, every kind of image you can shine this way. And if you have multiple slots, you can duplicate them for that slots as well, and work with timings. Let me show the tiger one. Let's save this. Okay. Let me show you the dragon head. So here we have dragon head, chin, and this kind of crown, and you can see as you can see here, I didn't made any delays. I didn't made any delays on appearing the sequence, but from here you can see this is chin, this is chin when it's shining, and here the file needed the old style sequence type. That's why you can see the old images here. By the way, if you don't know how to do this, write in a comment and I'll tell you that as well. This was famous before the fourth version of the Spine. After the fourth version we have sequence integrated there, and it is all awesome for not doing this handwork all again and again. So here you can see when I synchronized all the sequence animations here, and by the way, you can see this one, for example, chin 1 and chin 4. This one is the same animation, but I've made the first one going very fast, and the second one going in normal speed, so it may give you two cool lighting effects here. Let me check other things as well. For example, this paper one. You can see here this part that I've made meshes here, you see, and it's after animation I've made the swipe effect as well here. The line thing again, I want to tell you that you have to use the swipe effect only after final animation, that you have already this mesh animated, and after duplication you will not make any changes. If you will make any changes in animation, please delete it, make changes in animation and duplicate it and put this swipe effect again, so you will have everything going along with the animation. Okay, that's it, I think, for the first tutorial. first tutorial. This is it. Thank you for your time, for your attention. Please subscribe, like this video if you like it, don't like it, or give me some advices that I have missed here that may help me improve my works. Thank you very much. Bye bye.